Hey everybody, today we're going to be making a super cute black and white gummy bear chain necklace. So the first thing I'm doing is just putting the lobster clasp on the end of the chain so that it can be connected, and then I'm going to put the jump ring on this black gummy bear, but I kind of struggled with it a lot. It is a little bit difficult to get the jump rings on the bears. Overall, I just kind of struggle with the jump rings because they're so small, I guess. I did black and white gummy bears to go with like a checker pattern theme, I have some new black and white checkered earrings that I got, which I have a haul video on, so you guys can check that out. But I have those new earrings, and so I wanted to make some necklaces to go with it. So this is the first one that I made. So I'm just adding a white gummy bear onto there now. So now there's a black one and a white one. And then I'm gonna just close up that jump ring. And that's how it's starting to look so far. It's already looking pretty cute. So now let's just add the next white gummy bear on there. And I really struggled with it. I dropped it like 12 billion times, so that was probably pretty fun. And there we go. Finally, now I'm closing up that jump ring. Sorry it's out of focus. When I was making these, I wasn't even looking at my camera. I was just too focused on trying to get these things to look super good, super cute, because I really wanted to have some cute jewelry to match my new earrings. And there I'm just probably struggling with another jump ring. Oh, it has a gummy bear on it too. So yeah, I struggled with everything quite a bit. And we have one more gummy bear to go, I hope, because, this is starting to get a little boring. I could have cut a lot more of this footage out because it's the same exact thing. But there I am just counting the number of chains. I did one every like 5 or 6 chains so that they'd be an equal amount apart, but they would still not be like too far apart, And that is just how it looked. So here they are under black light. They do glow under black light, so that's really awesome. And yeah, so make sure to follow me on Instagram to see other pictures. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.